Very good afternoon to everyone. First, I would like to welcome everyone. Due to coronavirus outbreaking, it has disturbed everything, but it will never stop us from learning. Now, I feel happy that Matlab team has played a role to overcome from this pandemic. This session will be very interesting and informative because not everyone will be having not everyone will be having laptop to set up Matlab, right? Here we came up with simple solution. Yes, we can set up Matlab in phone itself. Before getting into the session, first, what is Matlab? Yes, Matlab is a programming platform. And we know that high level, low level language, right? So Matlab is a high level language for technical computing. And do you know one thing? Matlab is in top 15th programming language in 2020. To know more about it, I request our presenter, Maheshwari from EC department for presenting the topic on installation and programming Matlab in the mobile. Now, this digital platform is yours. Maheshwari, you can take over.
A warm welcome to all. Hope you are all safe. I am Uma Maheshwari from third year ECE Department, Pratyusha Engineering College. In this session, I will explain about the Matlab and how to do programming in our smartphone. Matlab and Stimuling. These are the topics we are going to see today. History of Matlab, what is Matlab, how Matlab works, applications, why we use Matlab, installation of Matlab in mobile, and live demonstration. History of Matlab, how it is arised. The first Matlab was written in 2000 lines of Fortran with matrices as the only data type. With 80 functions, no .m files and no toolboxes. Fortran means a high-level computer programming language used especially for scientific calculations. In 1970s, Clive Mola, who is a professor of math and computer science, chief author of Matlab, and one of the founder of MathWorks.ins, participated in developing ISPAC and LenPack. These two were the collections of Fortran subroutines for solving linear equation and eigenvalue problems. Matlab is now responsible for development, sales and support for Matlab. Jack Little, one of the Mola students, saw Matlab potential in control system and signal processing. Later, they founded together MathWorks.ins in 1980s. Matlab was rewritten in C with more functionality such as plotting routines, and now it contains more than 80,000 functions. What is Matlab? The name Matlab stands for Matrix Laboratory or Mathematical Laboratory. It is an interactive system whose basic data element is an array that does not require dimensioning. It has both computer programming language and a software environment for using that language effectively. What is possible in Matlab? Obviously, the graphical representation. How Matlab works? It includes matrix, vector, scalar syntax, important operators, basic operators, basic commands, and plot commands, creating a M file. Applications for developing algorithm, modeling, stimulation, and prototyping. It is used for analysis of data, exploration, and visualization. It is used for scientific calculation and engineering graphics. It is also used in developing graphic user interface. Go to Play Store. Search Matlab Mobile. Install the app. Open the Matlab Mobile. Click on Continue. Yeah, we have to create one. Click on Create One. Yeah, we have to enter your email address, location, first name, last name, and then you should click on Continue. Now your email address will be appear. Just you want to just click on the box which appears use this email for my mathwork account and then click continue. Verify your mathwork account. You will receive a mail for verification. In the mail, click on verify your email. It will appear this. And then go back to this page and click on continue. You should create the password which satisfy the password requirement. And then click on I accept the online service agreement. And then continue. Unlock more features. Okay, continue. Click on continue. Do you have a MATLAB license? No. Click on no. It will appear as this. Okay. In command, you should click on command. This is the basic simple operations. For example, if a equal to 1, the output will be a equal to 1. For 3 multiplication 2, the output will be ans equal to 6. If we want to do a big program, we should click on the icon which appears at the top left. Click on file and then click on the plus icon. Click on new file. You should give a name for your program and then create. It will appear. Okay. You should code your program. I have coded for matrix. Okay. After coding, you should click on the play button. It will the output will be displayed like this. Okay. Vanita ma'am. Vanita ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, shall I do the
Um,
demo, ma'am? Live demo.
how much time is available? 3:48 will get over. 10 minutes is there. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now I will show the live demo for one program. Yeah, see, you should click on the top left. You should click on the files. You should click on the plus icon. New file. I will name it as matrix. I have created. I have copied the matrix program. I have pasted it. Now I should click on the play button. See, the output appeared. It will be saved for future purpose. You can see whenever you want and you can use it anytime.